Binance versus CoinSpot. Choosing the right crypto exchange can completely change how you trade and invest without unnecessary fees or complexity. Binance offers extensive global options, while CoinSpot focuses on simplicity and local support. Binance and CoinSpot are two popular crypto exchanges with different strengths. Binance is a global platform with advanced features and a vast selection of cryptocurrencies. CoinSpot is an Australian-based exchange designed for ease of use and local compliance. The core difference lies in their target users and complexity. Binance is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges worldwide, providing access to over 600 cryptocurrencies and various trading options, including spot, futures, and staking. It works by connecting traders globally through a powerful matching engine that handles high volumes with low latency. Binance offers competitive fees, advanced charting tools, and a comprehensive mobile app. Its strengths include deep liquidity, diverse trading pairs, and support for margin and derivatives trading. However, Binance's interface can be overwhelming for beginners, and regulatory challenges in some countries may limit access. Ideal users are experienced traders and investors seeking a broad market, advanced features, and low fees. Binance also provides educational resources and an extensive ecosystem, including a launchpad for new tokens, making it a versatile platform for serious crypto users. For those comfortable navigating complex tools and international markets, Binance is a strong choice. Source: https www.binance. Binance CoinSpot is a leading Australian cryptocurrency exchange focused on simplicity, security, and local compliance. It supports over 350 cryptocurrencies and offers a user-friendly interface ideal for beginners and casual investors. CoinSpot operates by providing an easy-to-navigate platform where users can buy, sell, and swap cryptocurrencies instantly with transparent pricing. Strengths include strong regulatory adherence, Australian dollar deposits, and customer support tailored to local users. CoinSpot also offers features like instant buy, recurring buys, and the secure wallet integrated into the platform. Limitations include higher fees compared to global exchanges like Binance and fewer advanced trading options such as futures or margin trading. CoinSpot is best suited for Australian users prioritizing straightforward access to crypto without the complexity of international platforms. Its focus on compliance and security makes it a reliable option for those new to crypto or seeking a trusted local exchange. Source: https Kane source www.coinspot.com. Comparing Binance and CoinSpot highlights key trade-offs. Binance excels in variety and advanced trading tools, perfect for active traders who want access to global markets and low fees. For example, a trader looking to leverage futures or stake tokens will find Binance's ecosystem unmatched. On the other hand, CoinSpot offers simplicity and local support, ideal for Australian investors who want to buy crypto quickly with AUD deposits and strong regulatory protections. While CoinSpot's fees are higher, its ease of use and customer service provide peace of mind for beginners. Binance's complexity can be a hurdle for newcomers, while CoinSpot's limited advanced options may frustrate experienced traders. Choosing between them depends on your trading style, experience, and whether you value global reach or local convenience. Sources: https wsw2binance.com/n, https w2coinspot.com. Our Binance is recommended for experienced traders seeking a wide range of cryptocurrencies, low fees, and advanced trading features across global markets. CoinSpot is ideal for Australian beginners or those valuing simplicity and local support. Its secure, user-friendly platform makes crypto accessible without complexity. Choose CoinSpot if you want straightforward investing with trusted compliance and easy AUD deposits. Your choice depends on your trading needs and experience.